miss this.
Only in Japan.
What a cold day. It's an old trick to buy a can of hot coffee or tea from a vending machine and then put it in your pocket to keep you warm. In Japan, there's a wide variety of vending machines, and each machine has a huge selection. Some of these drink machines have over 30 different types to choose from. In fact, by the time you get in front of one of these machines, you may have changed your mind on what you wanted. Offering a large selection is one way that Japan offers excellent service. Vending machines are no exception. Here are some facts about Japanese vending machines. In Japan, there's one vending machine for every 23 people. Vending machines in Japan do over 7 trillion yen of business every year. There are over 5 million vending machines nationwide, so that means that each vending machine yields about 1.4 million yen, or $15,000. The average electricity bill per vending machine is 4,300 yen per month. Machines turn off heating and refrigeration from 1 to 4 a.m. to conserve power. If you're thinking of picking a fight with a vending machine, think twice. Each machine is equipped with a PHS transmitter, which sends a signal to the police when it's being tampered with or vandalized. We're talking about high-tech machines here. Let's look at drink vending machines. These are the most well-known and can be found everywhere. The selection is amazing. There are several different beverage companies and distributors in Japan, and each machine features drinks produced by the manufacturer or its partners. Are these drinks with characters any good? You'll have to try it to find out. Vending machines are made in all sizes. This half-size machine wastes no space. Technology is gradually turning Japan into a cashless society, and the Passmo and Suica cards are good examples. 2 rechargeable smart cards. Just touch your card to the sensor and voila! You've purchased a drink. Shibuya. People are on the move. It's a busy place. There isn't always time to get a healthy meal, but people need the energy to keep on working. Enter this machine, the banana vending machine. It's easy to make a choice. They're all bananas. Insert 130 yen, select a number, and watch the machine get your banana. The banana is carefully lowered and deposited in the lower receptacle to be collected without any bruising. It's the perfect banana, chilled and ready to eat. Bananas are always fresh, and this machine is refrigerated, which is especially good during the hot summer months. If you have a family, you can buy a bunch of bananas for 390 yen.
多分フルーツを自動販売機で売ってるのは初めてだと思う。手軽でいいね。いいね。
My buddy Peter and I were out for a walk in one of Tokyo's parks. It was a lovely day. Peter wanted lunch and thought of going back to the station to eat at a restaurant. But there's another option. Down the street is a hot lunch vending machine. Why not picnic outside and enjoy the day? This vending machine serves hot boxed lunches at a reasonable price. It takes a couple of minutes to prepare. I hit the cup of noodles machine for an appetizer. There's a good selection. Peter's still waiting, so I filled the cup of noodles with hot water from the hot water dispenser inside the vending machine. Peter finally got his hot lunch for 2. 2 hot drinks complete the fast lunch set. Unigiri rice balls with 2 chicken karage. Curry-flavored ramen. Ah, nature. You can't beat it. And with vending machines, you can grab lunch and never step foot inside a store. This vending machine offers entertainment while you wait. Choose your coffee and watch the TV robot go to work. The seconds tick away faster when you're looking for a red ball in the right cup. Which one is it? You didn't forget about your coffee, did you? A perfect cup. Auto door, and you're done. The coffee vending machine experience at its best. Akihabara. It's known as Otaku Central, and otaku need a lot of energy in this town. Unfortunately, people don't have much time to eat around here, so here's the solution. It's a ramen in a can vending machine. It serves up hot and cold ramen. Japanese oden too. Each can comes with a fork. We caught up with one computer otaku on his lunch break.
でも普段時間ないからこういうの食べれると300円だしあったかいし美味しいと思う。
Let's take a look at some other machines. An ice cream vending machine. How about a quick newspaper and a candy bar before you catch the train? Train platforms are a convenient place for busy people. It carries some of my favorite snacks. Rice vending machines can be found in rural areas. If your family runs out, there's a bag available 24 hours a day. Digital vending machines are quickly taking over in Tokyo. This one gives info about the drinks. Just touch the screen. Here's an interesting couple, a bread and umbrella vending machine. The bread in a can vending machine offers 8 different flavors. The umbrella machine is perfect for rainy days. Only 500 yen and you'll stay dry on the way to work. Smokers have come to the right place. Vending machines for cigarettes can contain over 60 different varieties, but beware, you must be over 21 to smoke in Japan. And you need an ID card called Taspo before buying from machines. Applications are available at tobacco kiosks around the country. Tobacco machines turn off after 11 p.m. Underneath the tracks of the Yamanote line in Yorakucho is this watering hole. It's a cove for lovers of alcohol. Yes, Japan has beer vending machines, and it's a perfect place to grab a brewski after work. There's even a hot sake machine. You can buy snacks from a naan machine inside after 6 p.m.
なんか最初多分親父もこういう形になるとは思ってなかったと思うんですよ。ただ通りすがりに買ってもらえばなっていう感じだけだったと思うんですけど、いつの間にか人が集まるようになって立ち飲み屋見たくなっちゃった。最近彼女と彼氏と絶好調。
絶好調。そっちはどう？
すごいいいよ。
すごいんだ。どの彼女とすごいの？そう、仕事が終わって飲みに行きたいんですけど、なかなかまあお店もね、ここら辺だと入りやすいし、一杯ここは缶ビールとかで安くすぐ酔っ払えるので、次行くまでにいいつなぎかなと思って。
そうですね、お米、お酒、バナナ、コンドーム、面白いですね。あと雑誌、エロ本、はい。中学生の時コンビニで買えないので、子供だから買えないので自販機に買いに行くみたいな。
Yes, this place is great to me because it has the real kind of shitamachi feeling around here, like downtown Tokyo feeling, plus outdoors, and there's always lots of people around here. Especially like this place, a lot of foreigners come here, and there's just people outside all the time. I guess my friends and I like to drink canned beers, like to be outside, and so we kind of know the places where you can buy alcohol outside. It's way cheaper, and it's nice to have the open air and be able to relax a little bit. Bye. Cheers.
So when you come to Japan, try some of the vending machines. The longer you stay, the more you can try. And travel around. You'll be surprised at what you find.